What do you pay in taxes to the IRS every year? According to tax returns for President Donald Trump that the New York Times says it obtained from a reliable source, chances are you paid more than he did. The president's tax returns show he paid $750 in federal income taxes in 2016 and the same amount in 2017. The Times obtained 20 years' worth of tax returns for the president, and for 10 of the 15 most recent years for which it had records, Donald Trump paid no taxes due to major losses on many of his properties and other business ventures. Governor Andrew Cuomo today discussed it in a press phone call.
He's a business failure when you actually look at the facts, but he has marketed himself as a successful entrepreneur. Reality at one point catches up with perception. And that's what's happening to the president.
The president has not talked about the issue with his donors and supporters, but did respond briefly to the reporting over the weekend.
Actually, I paid tax, and you'll see that as soon as my tax returns. It's under audit. They've been under audit for a long time. The IRS does not treat me well.
But Donald Trump is the first president in generations to not release his tax returns to the public, and he continues to fight against the idea. That's why he mentioned the IRS. It gave him the nearly $73 million refund he'd requested 10 years ago, but a later government audit showed he shouldn't have gotten it. The IRS has been in an ongoing legal dispute with Mr. Trump regarding this issue that could force him to repay them $100 million.
So I paid a lot, and I paid a lot of state income taxes, too. The New York state charges a lot, and I paid a lot of money in state.
Meanwhile, the campaign of Democratic rival Joe Biden has wasted no time responding to the tax revelations. It immediately launched this ad showing what many working Americans pay in taxes every year, in contrast to what the president reportedly paid. The Biden camp also made these buttons for supporters to claim that they paid lower taxes than the president. Now, the tax returns the Times says it obtained also show that President Trump owes at least $421 million to creditors and may not have enough assets to pay those debts. The president and his attorneys have called the information fake news and say that he has, in fact, paid millions in personal federal income taxes. Meanwhile, the New York Times says this is just the beginning of the information on Donald Trump's taxes that they've received. The Times says it will be running more such stories in the weeks ahead.